Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video we are going to see a complete review about Mamaearth's No More Tangles conditioner with milk protein, avocado and shea butter. So this is the 200 ml packaging of Mamaearth's conditioner. It costs around 350 rupees. So the main ingredients in this conditioner are milk and milk, avocado and shea butter, which are highly rich in which have the tendency to maintain your hair's natural moisture content and helps to greatly prevent frizz, the extraordinary and unruly hair. It has the tendency to control your frizz and maintain your hair the silk and leaves your hair silky and smooth. The product says that it suits all hair types and it is dermatologically tested and free from harmful chemicals. It is also suitable for colored and treated hair. The product states that it detangles your hair, it conditions it and moisturizes brittle hair. Of course guys, as per the product says, it actually does whatever it claims to do, and this is the magical product from Mamaearth. I say so because I have dry and frizzy unruly hair. So how much ever I condition my hair, it becomes frizzy. So I've been using this product from a quite long time, and I do often switch products even before completing one, and only now I got the time to actually review about this product. So as per its name, No More Tangles conditioner, it of course removes your tangles, that is it detangles your hair and at the same time controls frizz to a greater extent. At least you can go you can let your hair free for the whole day you washed your hair. Milk gives you the protein which your hair needs, and avocado and shea butter conditions and smoothens your hair. So this product comes in open close bottle type, which I would not really recommend for traveling purposes. The product is in white creamy consistency. So this is the actual consistency of the product. It is not so thick or runny. It is best suitable to your hair when you dampen your hair and use it as a conditioner alone. But one thing I wanted to add to this is you have to leave it for about 3 minutes. Only then it gives you the exact thing what it contains. Like many other conditioners, it is enough to leave on for just a minute and you will be fine. But this particular conditioner, what I feel is if you leave it for about 4 minutes or so only, you will feel you will receive what you actually wanted. So that way I feel the product takes time to actually work on your hair, or at least I think it is for my hair because it is extraordinarily frizz. Because I think only that is the reason why it takes so much time to work on my hair. So I think it may depend upon your hair types. Since I have the frizzy hair and extremely dry hair, the product takes time to work on my hair. But on waiting, on being patient, the product actually works the way I really wanted to. So if you also have that kind of frizzy hair, you can go with this product. It suits really you well. As I told you, the fragrance, the texture, everything is as per my expectation, and it fulfills it has all the qualities or whatever my expectations. It fulfills my expectations and I am in love with the product completely. My only drawback is, as I told you, it takes about 4 minutes or so to work on my hair particularly, but that patience actually leads to beautiful results. So that way I'm okay with the product. This product, the 200 ml product, it lasts you for more than 2 months. If you wash your hair twice a week, it lasts you for more than 2 months for sure. So to conclude with, this is one of the best conditioners from Mamaearth at a relatively fair price. Actually the price is really fair. For 200 ml they are giving it for 350 rupees, and it is completely fair. Also, as per the conditions or the thing which it claims, it does what it claims. So in that way I am absolutely loving the product. And if you have such type of frizzy and unruly hair, please get your hands on this product. This works amazing onto your hair, and it leaves your hair silky, and your hair behaves the way you want to. So yeah, if you can, you can just go on and purchase this. And as we end the video now, if you have any doubts regarding the product, you can ask me. And any other if you want me to make any other product reviews or any other queries, anything, you can mention it here or either through my Instagram ID. I would feel happy to reply you. And so yeah, we'll conclude it by now, and we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.